Now let's talk about numbers. 10 is these, 20 is wa, 30 is tron, 40 is katron, 50 is cinquante, 60 is soixante, 70 is soixante-dix. So it starts with 60 in 60 and 10. So soixante-dix. 80 is quatre-vingts, 40 into 20, 90 is quatre-vingt-dix. These 100 is cent, 200 is deux cents, 1000 is mille, 2000 is deux mille, 1 lakh is cent mille, 1 crore is 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 million is a mil, 1 lakh is cent mil, 2000 is deux mil, 1000 is mil, 200 is deux cents, 100 is cent. So dix, one, trente, quatre-vingts, cinquante, soixante, soixante-dix, quatre-vingts, quatre-vingt-dix, cent. Now let's talk about numbers. How we will write numbers from. So you need to learn from 11 to 19 first. So 11 is like ons, 12 is douze, 13 is tres, 14 is quatros, 15 is quinze, 16 is seis, 17 is dix-sept, 18 is dix-huit, 19 is dix-neuf. So जब numbers लिखोगे when between 20 to 60, so how you will write when it comes to 21, it is et un. When 22 is when dux, 23 is when trios, 24 is when quatre, 26 is when seis, 27 is when sept, 28 is when youth, 29 is when neuf, 30 is trente. So similarly like 63, if I need to write 63, I will write soixante-treize, soixante-treize. If I want to write 67, soixante-sept. Okay. Now similarly I will write in now the numbers change from 71. So it is soixante-eleven. So soixante is 60 plus 11, it is 11 is ons. So soixante et ons. Now 72 will be soixante, 12 को क्या बोलते हैं, tres, tres, cuatros, quinze, seis, dix-sept. So here it will change, it will go till seis, 76. Now 77 will be soixante dix-sept, 77 will be soixante dix-huit, soixante dix-neuf, and then 80 will be quatre-vingts. So quatre-vingts, un is 1. So again it will be only in 80 now again it will be quatre-vingts un, quatre-vingts deux. For 82, for 85 it is quatre-vingt-cinq, 86 is quatre-vingt-dix, 87 is quatre-vingt-sept, like this. Now again in 90 again you need to go for 11 to 12. So 90 will be quatre-vingts ons. So it will not be quatre-vingts dix होता है ना 90 में, quatre-vingts dix होता है ना, उसकी जगह जब 91 होगा quatre-vingts ons होगा, because quatre-vingts we are considering 90, 80 plus 11, so quatre-vingts ons. 92 quatre-vingts, 12 is douze, and so on. So only 11 to 19 and it will come under 70 and 90. Rest it will be un, right? 1 2 3 4 Similarly, it will be like that only. So in this, so for 17 it is Dixet, Dixfoot, Disnerv. So till C's 16 it is C's, Quins, Quans, Quatrons, Tres, Dos, Ons. Okay, only for 70 and 90 it will change to 11 to 19. Otherwise it is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in this again a trick, till Soxon 60 it is like this. 70 will be Soxon, Dix, Dix is 10. 80 will be Quatrven, 90 will be Quatrven this, and 100 will be Sen. So accordingly you will add. So it on, or it will be here it will not come. It in 80 only it will not come. It will be un, because t is there, so it will not come. Here 90 is Quatrven, 11 is uns. So it un, Dix will not come. So that is the only difference. Now let's go to the questions. So question is किसे 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 किसे. So it is used for animals and birds or living things. Animals or birds or non-living things, right? So who is this and what are this? Seth on che, sets on the livre. So set on chair. So this is a chair which is a non-living thing. So my question will be किसके क्यों, किसे की से, किसे की से, किसके सिके, right? Who is this? Season these livre. So these are books. So it will be again, because it is non-living thing, season se q set, right? Now q a c. So kise, kise, it refers to the people. Who is this or who are these? So it refers to the people, like the living thing, like humans. So men or women. So Seth Napoleon. So here the question is QSA. He is Napoleon. He is a boy. Gacon is boy, right? So here Q say kise kise, kise kise, kise. So kise kise, it is kise ek here. So it is a chessboard. So kise kise, it is saison poms, because there are two apples. So saison poms. So these are apples. Kise kise, saison un sac. So because bag is a non-living thing, so is it saison un sac? This is a bag. Now next. Now they are friends, right? So they are living beings and humans. So kise. So else, because they are all girls, so else on M is. Else on M is. Now there is a football player, so which is called as Ronaldo. So Kizon say, again he is a human. So kise. So say Ronaldo. So Ronaldo, right? Now next is Trent is 30. Soxent is 60. Winked et on, it means 21. Quatrven 40 and 20, 60, 80 हो गया. 40 into 20, 80 हो गया. Tres is 13. Trent is 30. Transept is 37. Quince is 15. Dehute 18. Now cent is 100. Now another is 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. 10 is these, plus 2 is dukes, is equal to 12. 12 is those, right? 15 into 2 is equal to 30. 15 is queens into deuce is equal to 30 is strength, right? 30 plus 40 is equal to 70. 70 is Soxenth, Dix. 30 is strength, 40 is Quaranthro, right? Quaranthro. Now 55 plus 9 is equal to 64. 55 is cinquent, 5 is cinq, राइट, प्लस 9 इज न्यू, सो इट इज सॉक्सेंथ के साथ क्या आएगा 4, 4 का क्या है क्वात्र, 16 इंटू 4 इज इक्वल टू 64, 16 इज सीज इंटू 4 क्वात्र इज इक्वल टू सॉक्सेंथ क्वात्र. Now arrange these words. Son Itudiyan see this. So see son these Itudiyans. So basically C के साथ सॉन्त आता है, फिर दीज आता है, एंड फिर जो नाउन होता है आपका वो आएगा सी एथ क्यू ई, सी क्यू एथ. सो कीजे कीजे, कीजे कीजे, ई क्यू ए कीजे कीजे, एस चेज उन, सी सेथ un chairs, these are chairs. Okay, now season, this is chair, this is a chair. Now here it is plural, so season these chairs. Next is un tomato, so it is tomato. Uncho, cho means cabbage, uncho. Un peve, it is pepper. Un champignon, it is mushroom. Un lech, it is lychee. Un prune, it is plum. Un date, it is date. Un cress, it is cherry. So these are all fruits, right? So if you see everywhere it is plural, right? une feminine है, une. Cabbage is masculine, pepper is masculine, mushroom is masculine, lychee is also masculine, plum, date and cherry, those are small, they are feminine. Now let's do the question. Seth un drakon, so it is a boy, so it is a living thing, so it will be kise, right? Seth un boy rapes, so which is a tiffin box, so it is a non-living thing, so kise. Seth un chain, it is a dog, so again it is a human being, right? Seth kise. Now Seth manual, so it is the name of a human being, so it will be kise. Seth son Dios et Anirudh, so these are Dio and Anirudh, which are name of the people, it will be kise, right?